Welcome back to CAD MAFIA. Today we will learn how to apply Symmetric Mate in SolidWorks Assembly. We will apply Symmetric Mate between these two parts. Let's start. So go to Mate and select Advanced Mate and then choose Symmetric Mate. First we have to select a plane in which reference we will apply Symmetric Mate between these two parts. Just go to Assembly and select this P1 part and select right plane. We will apply Symmetric Mate between these two parts about this plane. Now we have to select the face in which we apply Symmetric Mate. Let's select this face and this face and then click OK. And again choose Symmetric Mate and choose this right plane, and now select this face and this face and then click OK. Now these two parts are in symmetric relations. You can see if you drag any one part, another part is automatically moved. You can see here. And now if we apply some standard mate between this face and this face, go to standard mate and select this hole and this face and select concentric relations and then click OK. Now you can see this two part is in concentric relations with this hole, and again select this face and this face and select coincidence relations and then click OK. Now you can see this two part is in coincidence relations. Okay, now close it. Now if we change something into this mates, suppose go to coincidence mate and click on edit features, and then if we give some distance between these two faces, suppose this is 10 mm, and then click OK. Now you can see this the both part has moved from this face. And if we apply some limit distance between these two faces, just go to Advanced Mate and this minimum distance is 2 mm and the maximum distance is 10 mm, and then click OK and close it. Now you can see we can move it inside and outside, and if you move any one of this part, another part is automatically moved. You can see, and in this way you can apply Symmetric Mate in SolidWorks Assembly. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel to get more updates.